To export a grade rule library to Excel, click the Excel tool in the Grading Rules library. Or right-click the Rules text label, then go to Excel Utility, Export Library to Excel. Choose where to save the file and give it a name. We suggest using the same name as the grade rule library. Tick on Launch Excel and click OK. The system creates a spreadsheet with all the grade rules in the library. You can edit the grade rule values directly in Excel. For example, let's change the 1-inch hem and sweep values to 2 inches. Save the changes to the Excel file. To import the Excel sheet back into TUKAdesign, right-click Rules, then go to Excel Utility, Import Library from Excel. Locate the Excel file and the rule library target file. A warning pops up asking whether to replace the existing RUL file. Click OK. The Apply Rule dialog asks whether to apply the new grade rules from the library to the pattern piece. Click Apply All to apply all the grade rule changes.